Peace and love, African family. Peace, love. Which one you want?
A spoon.
Spoon. Yeah, family. Miss Jam Tours is actually in her juicing mode. And today, family, we're going to juice a cantaloupe. You guys know about cantaloupe? Cantaloupe make you be like an antelope. Yeah, family. So we're going to juice cantaloupe. We have this big watermelon to juice. And we have some cucumbers to juice, family. So what you doing first?
I want to peel.
Or you're gonna peel it?
Yeah. Then cut it in small pieces.
Okay.
Then I juice. Yeah,
Okay.
juice.
Yeah, guys, our kitchen is very small.
It's very small.
Very small. Very
I
small.
hope it got me out of this block. The previous kitchen was very big. I couldn't put anything down, but
Yeah.
we came here because of Hamesh. Anyways, I'm not complaining. The kitchen I can manage. Yeah?
Yeah.
I thought we'll start rushing me out and then I'm putting things on the floor.
Yeah, family, but it's just, that is it.
That is, you know, sometimes when you have a family, like, you check on the important things because the kitchen is not like manage.
You cut it like that.
So that it can pass through the whole.
To the blender, to the juicer. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tours is cutting the cantaloupe now. And then we're gonna juice. What else would you like to juice? Which other fruits you think can juice?
Apart from this three. But we don't do it all, so I don't think so. Unless I come across another fruit that you will know. I got to know of cantaloupe last year when we had gone to Mombasa.
Mombasa.
That at the hotel buffet style. And I remember asking you, what is this green thing?
And from there we start by it.
And from then, hey, if I don't buy cantaloupe, they call it here sweet melon.
Oh yeah, sweet melon.
The other one is watermelon.
Oh, it's from the melon family. Even cucumber is from melon too, you know that.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Anything
How
that
many types of melons do we have?
there's a lot of melons.
Stone
Anything
melon.
that grow on the vine like that
There's stone
and
melon.
grow on the ground with a vine. It's a melon.
Stone melon can be juiced. No, I don't think so because it's kind of watery and seedy.
Yeah, well I guess the
Unless
juice
you
that
blend it, then you-
it can juice.
But I feel like
Well the seed will just come out tonight, the seed, the flavor of the seed. But this now you just doing it. And we have how much you get? 4 watermelon. I think 4.
sweet melon.
I think this will be a lot. We feel we have enough bottle for this.
Yeah.
Look how this watermelon is big, guys. I doubt we're gonna have enough bottle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bottles. So we're gonna see if we can fill up these 5 bottles with all of these juice. And we have
Because that watermelon can take like 2.5.
yeah, we have cucumber.
Then this one, I think they'll fit. I might not use the cucumber today if they don't fit. Or you can buy it.
Well, you know the cucumber is pretty. The last time we have those one for a week.
Okay, we
You
won't
still
make them
can.
stay, we can drink what
But
we
I guess we'll juice it and see how it's set up. Yeah, family. So we just get back from the market.
Besides, I have a few glass bottles, so those glasses from
Yeah.
the Cuisine.
Yeah, we just get back from the market, guys, and we just buy some fruits. Always fruits first. Mangoes, avocado, papaya, greens, cantaloupe, watermelon. Yeah, family. So just continue watching the vlog, guys. We're just cutting up the watermelon now to put it in the juicer. See how it come out. So let's wait while we continue. Just continue watching the vlog, family. Don't stop and skip a beat and skip. Watch everything in this vlog. Because health is wealth. And these are the juice your body really need. And these are the juice you should be drinking, family. Not these artificial juice, preservative and concentrated juice. This is the real juice.
Super, right?
Yeah.
And then so we had to
have to juice with family.
Like throw away, so.
Alright guys, let me taste this watermelon to see how it tastes. This cantaloupe. Wow.
I go to Hamish will reach your juice. Hamish is reaching your juice.
Amesh boy. Wonder if you will like the cantaloupe juice. Need to try him with it.
Yeah, we will.
Amesh, you're gonna try cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. Amesh, you're moving like an antelope. Antelope. You want to stand up, don't you? Up there, boy. Up there. 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 I left the watermelon jam tours.
Hard rolling.
It's jam tours.
How's rolling?
Like that. That's how it's big.
It's very big.
Big watermelon in Nairobi, Kenya.
Please take it from there. Thank you.
So I will take it for you. So you're gonna cut the watermelon now one time.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Tour is finished with the. It was 4 cantaloupe, right?
Yeah.
So it's 4 cantaloupe, and this is what we get from it. So now she wants me to actually bring this big dirty stinking watermelon here.
God, is it that you're stinking?
Big dirty stinking watermelon. Where am I put it here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Big dirty stinking watermelon.
My watermelon is not stinking.
Yeah, family.
Okay.
So Miss Jam Tour is cutting the watermelon now, family. Let's see if it's inside is hollow or red and nice.
Oh, it's as nice as how this woman was praised.
Yeah.
She was really praised. Ah,
Okay.
it's nice.
Sweet.
Very, very sweet.
Let me taste it. Let me taste this watermelon. Wow. There's some nice juice from there. Nice juice. So Miss Jamtor, what are you gonna do? You're gonna cut up this.
Yeah. Just open up.
Yeah, family. So Miss Jamtor, we're gonna cut this up so we can put it in the juicer and juice it up. So continue watching the video, guys. Like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you start juicing, family. Juicing.
I think when it's juiced, it's nice to just.
Yeah, just drink natural juice. You know, people are addicted to juice. You know, but all of this synthetic juice in the thing. This is what you should be doing. You should be getting real juice. This is like real water. Yeah. So what you're gonna do? Oh, you're gonna peel it like that. Remember back then his name is to the juicing. Now Miss Jam Tours like to juice.
Yeah, imagine the way I came feeling like sleepy and.
Yeah. Normally I used to juice the green part. Yeah. Yeah, family, so continue watching the vlog while Miss Jam Tours cut up this watermelon like this. Put it in the juicer. Hey family, so look, we got a big pot of watermelon, cantaloupe. I just add some right here, look. So much. And Miss Jam Tours cut it down to the skin, so we'll get some of that in the juice. Real water from nature. You still got the blender now, the juicer. Yeah, family, so Miss Jam Tour setting up the juice. Miss Jam Tour setting up the juice. Also wanna put around this to the juice or something. It was small, That's all just blend it. You wanna cook it? Yeah. Watermelon juice. Put it in the fridge. Yeah, family, so we are about to start up the machine, start up the car. Yeah, family, so as you can see, Miss Gentle washing out the jars, put the juice in, because we're going to have so much juice, we need all these 5 jars to be cleaned. Guy, Miss Jam Tours, all these buckets are clean. This is where they wash them.
Myself.
Yeah? I know you wash them, man. Tell me why. I know you wash them.
You know how we like take them to our bed, basically.
Yeah, family, so we're gonna start up the machine, start up the car, start up the juicing machine.
So, Bubu, you do me a favor. Close that door. I don't want baby boy looking now.
Yeah.
So once the door is closed, at least, and then you open this one, the noise goes out.
This one.
Yeah. This window. Ask me how I got to know.
Start the car. Start the car. You just turn it on and throw it one in. Fast.
Oh, really now? Like this?
No, you pull it up more, yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Keep running on and up.
I feel like maybe your way is better. Pull it up.
Okay.
Pull it up. You pull it up.
Yeah, I think what I'm doing is fine because you see it will run until I finish.
Yeah,
I think I'll try it. That's the one I should do. For the menu is the one I don't cook. For the cucumber.
Oh, yeah.
It's long, so I don't have to struggle cooking the pieces. I'm doing it faster than I'm doing it. I feel like my thing.
Pouring, guys, sweetie.
What you like, I didn't see it.
Right.
Imagine I didn't see I wish I had a cat like I would have just. But video this is a trash
Let me just make a small cup. So refreshing, family. Watermelon juice, the real hydration juice. Right from the juicer straight into the belly. Yeah, family, cantaloupe. Ever seen cantaloupe juice? This is cantaloupe. Yeah, family. So if you never see cantaloupe juice yet, now you're seeing cantaloupe juice, family. White. What happened?
Nothing.
Okay. Maybe you're not fix it good.
What about that? So everything is okay.
Yeah, family. So if you never juiced cantaloupe before, this is what it looks like. A lot of foam is on the top, and this white is very nice. That foam on the top is very delicious. It's very sweet. What's the first time you taste cantaloupe juice, really?
No, it's my second.
No, it's not your first time.
Not that time. How did end its juice?
Cantaloupe! Cantaloupe! Alright, let's juice up the cantaloupe.
I like that.
The smell? Wow. Sweet smell.
Yeah. That's why I guess it's called sweet melon.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So we won't be able to juice the cucumber. So I'm just gonna actually end this vlog now, family. Like, share, and comment. I maybe need to taste this cantaloupe for you. Let me taste a little bit of the cantaloupe, sweetie. While you cantaloupe it. When I finish this one, I'll taste it. Taste it.
Why don't pour?
Wow. It's creamy like ice cream. Wow. So nice. Yeah, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. One love, jobless, Jamaica. I'm out. Cantaloupe. You don't like cantaloupe? Come drink up the cantaloupe, man. The cantaloupe, please. Cantaloupe. Enjoy the cantaloupe.